Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Bob plus B, Bobby. Saw plus KS, socks. Bobby socks. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. Two returning contestants. They're familiar with the game, and they are eager to get going. So let me introduce them. Young lady on my left is Nina Cutler, an architecture student. Welcome back, Nina.
Thanks, Oscar.
Young gentleman on my right is a film student, but he is the champ. He has won $20,914 in prizes. Brad Tutliff. Welcome back, and good luck to you. Take a look over here, contestants, and we will show you one of the great prizes in this one.
Start spreading the news. You'll take Manhattan, the Bronx, and Staten Island, too, as you and a guest fly to New York City. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And for 4 nights, you'll stay at the Drake Hotel. Gracious Swiss hospitality prevails in an ambiance of intimacy and elegance, bringing the finest touches of European savoir-faire to the heart of Manhattan. Furnished by Swiss Hotel New York, the Drake Hotel. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. And Marjorie, you were almost perfect until you turned to sit down and you gave a little look to make sure the bench would be there waiting for you. Nina and Brad, take a look on our game board and we'll show you where you can find New York, dead center, easy to remember. Nina, you get to select first.
Okay. I was born in New York. I want to go back to New York. Look for a match under number 7.
Lucky number 7 is a dishwasher.
Okay, and number 17.
Diamond and gold pin. No match there, obviously, so we'll go to Brad.
Okay, my birthday's on the 15th. I think I'll start there, number 15.
Wild card. Good place to start. I bet you I know what you're picking now.
Ooh,
or do I?
I've got so many trips. Yeah, I'm going to take that New York trip, number 13.
I've got so many. Blasé at 21. The other New York holiday at number 2. A holiday in New York, sliding into position back here and down here. 3 panels swinging open for Brad Tutliff. Select again.
Let's try up in the corner at number 5.
Stereo.
Oh, I could use a stereo. Let's see if there's another stereo under number 21.
Mountain bikes for 2. No match. Nina?
Those mountain bikes look really nice. Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
Red tape.
Red tape, which we haven't seen yet. And, okay, let's see if we can find the match for that red take under number 18.
Wild card, so you are getting a match out of it. The other red take is on the board at number 8. Should I put it into the slot, or should I put it back and let you grab New York away from Brad?
Save it.
Is it too early, in other words, or do you want to take the chance?
I'm going to take the chance. I'm going to take it.
You're going to take it?
I'm going to take New York.
Take New York.
Because he's had too many trips.
Yes, you're absolutely right.
I was joking.
No,
I'm
you
doing
weren't
you a
joking
favor.
at all. And she's taking the holiday in New York, and we are opening up these 3 panels. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 25.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher, which we shall. And let's see, hopefully I can remember the match under number 6.
No.
No.
Brad?
I think the match for that dishwasher was under number 7.
Lucky 7, yes.
And then the other one down at 25.
The other one down at 25. You didn't remember it at first, did you?
I did. I had it.
Yeah. The other one at 25, yes. Dishwasher is his if he wins the game. Open the panels. Select again.
Let's see what's going on down there at number 22.
Mattress set.
Mattress set. That'd be nice. Let's see if there's a match or a wild under number 24.
No, his and her perfume cologne. We just saw that, I believe. Nina?
I believe we did see it. Let's see number 6, please.
6, that's where we saw it. That's right.
And for the match, number 24.
24, 6 and 24. Open these 2 doors for Nina Cutler. Pick again.
Okay, number 4, please.
Diamond and gold pin.
Which I don't remember if we've seen before. Can I please look under number 12?
Stereo, no match. Brad?
I think that stereo is under number 5.
5 is right.
All right, and number 12 for the match.
5 and 12 work. Dishwasher and a stereo. Remember, he said yesterday, I believe, that he has to furnish a new apartment.
That's right.
This would be a good way to begin. Open it up. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 19, please.
Golf clubs.
I love to play golf when I'm not studying. Mom. Let's see if there's some more golf clubs under 21.
Mountain bikes for 2. No match. Nina.
Okay, let's see what's under number 10.
200 California lottery tickets.
And don't believe I've seen what's under number 3.
Number 3 is a wild card, so the California lottery tickets are coming your way. The other lottery tickets are on the board at number 23. And now, Nina, can you solve this?
I hope so.
Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 19.
Golf clubs. You just saw.
We just saw that. And hopefully a match under number 11.
You hope. Green take, however. Brad.
I'd love that take. She's got some lottery tickets, and I'm a gambler. Let's see if there's another take under number 9.
A mattress set.
I believe the match was under number 22.
Really? Yes. And as the folks at home can see, each of our contestants vulnerable with a strike against them, and that means that whoever wins this game goes to play for the car. Whoever loses goes home. Brad, can you solve the puzzle now?
The bitter truth?
The bitter truth is correct. And Brad has done it again. He has added to his prize-winning total, and we're going to have to say goodbye to you, Nina. Sorry about that. Brad, let's go to the board.
I'll try. We have I thought this was going to be a drill, but it turned out to be a bit, and he's crying for some reason, so it's got a tear there. Down there at true, and the bitter truth.
You didn't see the true down there, so you anticipated, and you did very nicely on that. Nina, you were a delight on the program. I wish it could have turned out better for you, but you've got a prize waiting for you backstage. Thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.
So long. All right, Brad, 3 more gifts coming your way. Not gifts, prizes. You earned them. They're yours. Gene.
A mattress set. Bassett's Dream Maker gives just the right combination of firm support and soothing softness. Covered with golden glow satin fabric for exotic elegance, Dream Maker from Bassett. And a dishwasher. A Whirlpool Power Clean Energy Saver Portable Convertible or Under-Counter Dishwasher with Power Clean Washing System and exclusive in-the-door silverware basket. Furnished by Whirlpool. And a stereo. Symphonics Compact Stereo System is packed with advanced features, AM, FM, quartz tuner, dual cassette deck turntable, remote control, and incredible sounding two-way speakers furnished by Symphonic.
And of course, another opportunity to play for a car with a lot of time on the clock after this break. The young man has won more than $22,000 in prizes. If he wins a brand new car, that'll take him very close to $30,000. He's 21 years old. 15 numbered squares for him. Brad, you're going to be working with 55 seconds. Good luck. Go for it.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
4, 15.
No.
6, 15.
Right.
3, 14.
No.
13, 14.
No.
2, 5.
No.
14, 5.
No.
13, 5.
Right.
8, 9.
No.
4, 11.
No.
3, 11.
Yes.
10, 12.
No.
8, 12.
No.
8, 10.
Yes.
2, 4.
No.
14, 4.
No.
9, 4.
No.
12, 4.
Love the number 4, Brad.
I knew that Sundance was somewhere, and I
You
just
figured
couldn't
the
find
Sundance
it.
is there somewhere.
I'm
All right.
humiliated.
How does this sound to you? $22,683. That's what you won in prizes to this point. You're vulnerable because you lost one game, but you're going into another game after this break. New contestant to introduce on our program. And here she is. Her name is Evelyn Reason.
Yes. that
Hello,
is it.
Evelyn Reason.
Hello, Ellen.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Houston, Texas, but I live right here in Los Angeles, and I came to win.
Oh.
I have 2 children.
How old?
One is 21 and one is 11.
Ooh. The 11-year-old with you in the studio this
No,
morning?
he better be in
He's
school.
in school.
Yes.
He better be in school, right?
Yes.
21-year-old is doing what?
She's married and she's working.
Are you grandmother yet?
Oh, no, she said it'll be a while.
All right, good for her. It's nice to wait. Take a look over here, and we will direct your attention to one of the prizes in this second game today.
An elegant telescope of classic brass, the Meade Model 228, for the view across town and for observing craters on the moon, furnished by Meade Instruments. While stargazing, you may enjoy snacking on Tootsie Roll Midgies, as good as you remember. Only 27 calories. Why not try some today? Tootsie Roll, as good as you remember. Alex.
This is right side up, you see. This is upside down. Marjorie is new in the business, folks. We've only been doing this show for 4.5 years. Thank you, Marjorie, for your help. Brad and Evelyn, take a look on the board, and we will show you where you can find the telescope. It is at number 5. There will just be one wild card in this game, but we've got some great prizes. We have, of course, the 5 bonus car seconds because it's the second game of the day. The cash pot has $500 in it, and we have an Alaskan cruise, a cruise to Alaska.
All right.
And Evelyn, you go first.
All right, let's start off with number 10.
Set of 4 radial tires.
Yeah, my present car could use that. And the match under number 17.
Diamond and opal earrings. No match there. Brad?
I'd like to start right in the middle, number 13.
Diamond and opal earrings.
Was that number 17?
Diamond and opal earrings. Great when it works out that way.
Amazing. Wonderful.
Uncanny ability demonstrated by Brad Topliff as he studies the puzzle with these 2 doors swinging open, and he solves it. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Think again.
Let's see what's down on number 24, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
God knows I could use those. Let's see if there's another match on a number 7.
Electronic keyboard. No match there, obviously, so we go to Evelyn.
All right, something good has been shown. So how about a wild card under number 3?
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
Put lots of fat on the body. I like that. Number 25 for the match.
Cruise to Alaska. Now, there's a good prize.
Very nice
Brad?
prize. Maybe I can find the wild card to match that on number 22.
Green take.
Green take. Let's have another green take on a number 16.
No, the cash pot. Evelyn, if past experience is any indication, Brad is not likely to win the trip to Alaska. I'll tell you why. He concentrates only on trips to warmer climates. He's got a holiday in Hawaii, he's got one in Mexico, he's got one in the Bahamas. So Alaska is probably not something that he wants. So you should win it.
Well, I'm not picky. A trip would be nice to somewhere. How about number 6?
Red take.
And number 18 for the match.
No electronic keyboard. Brad?
Wouldn't be too sure I don't want that trip. But let's see, I think there was an electronic keyboard on a number 7.
I think you may be right.
And number 18 for the match.
7 and 18 work together beautifully. And we are expanding the middle part of this puzzle.
Cross the line.
Cross the line, he said. Nope. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 15 for my birthday.
Cruise to Alaska.
And the match for that on number 25.
Cruise to Alaska. He may get to Alaska after all. I may have misjudged this young man. Open these 2 panels for him. Select again, Brad.
Let's see what's under number 14, please.
Set of 4 radial tires.
Was the match under number 10?
Yes. 4 radial tires. You are right, Brad.
I could use a
Open
car
it
to
up
put
again.
those on.
He needs the car, though. Go again.
Something interesting over there. Let's see what's under number 6.
Red tape.
Seen that before. And maybe the match under number 1.
Green take. Evelyn?
Number 16.
Cash pot.
Number 9.
There's a wild card for you. You'll get a shot at $500 in cash. The other cash pot on the board is at number 21, so 3 doors are opening for you, Evelyn. For the cash and a win, can you solve the puzzle? Pick again.
All right. Let's open up number 2.
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
How about the match of number 3?
Gourmet pasta and sauces. Yes, you remember. Good concentration. Open it up. Try it again.
Let's see number 24.
5 bonus seconds.
And number 6.
Oh, Brad.
I want to win that car, so I'm going to look under number 20, where I think there were some... Oh,
No,
I'm
that's a
wrong. I want
coffee
to win
maker.
that coffee maker. Let's see if there's another coffee maker under number 4.
No, that's a pool table. Evelyn, whoa, there's the bell. Hands on your button. All right, let's start revealing this puzzle for our players in the studio and those folks at home. Number 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. Evelyn.
None the wiser.
Is it none the wiser? Yes, it is. And Evelyn is a winner, and she beat Brad. Giant killer, come on to the board. All righty. Evelyn, you explain it.
All right. We have the nun, which he almost threw me with this cross, okay? But I got a little smart when I saw that habit. None, the, and a lot of wise, plus or. None the wiser.
All right, none the wiser, and Brad gets his second strike. But you've got those holidays I talked about. You've got a lot of stuff to furnish your new apartment.
Right.
And you've got a total of $22,683, Brad. So congratulations. You take care. And good luck in your film career.
Thank you.
All right, Evelyn. You got some cash. And what else? Gene?
A cash pot worth $500 and gourmet pasta and sauces. Pasta Mama brings convenience to gourmet cooking with its designer line of pasta. Everything from fettuccine Alfredo to their line of dessert pastas and sauces furnished by Pasta Mama.
And Evelyn gets to play for a brand new car after this commercial break. Evelyn has won $500 in cash and the gourmet pasta and sauces. But that doesn't mean anything. What would be important to Evelyn is winning a brand new car. Am I right?
Yes, indeed.
All right. Good luck. You hear the 15 numbered squares, and you're starting off with base time of 35 seconds. Make it pay off, Evelyn. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
4, 8.
Yes.
10, 11.
No.
13, 14.
No.
3, 13.
No.
6, 10.
No.
12, 9.
No.
15, 7,
No.
6, 13.
You were right on that last one.
Thank you very much.
You know, it's amazing. I saw you go by the Justy earlier, and I said she just saw it there, and yet she missed it this time. But that's okay. You're going to play again. We'll take a break. Gene, tell us about another prize, please.
Some of today's participants may receive from Botany 500 3 colorful shirts for today's active man. Comfortable, stylish, and durable, furnished by Botany 500. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Pokey's getting more on-air time than us. I'm starting to worry. We'll see you all tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.